Welcome to Don't Lecture Me channel. Today we're playing something really fun. Guess the correct logo of some popular brand or an app. And before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos. Let's get started. Good luck! Round 1. Don't let your dreams to be dreams. Just do it. You bring light to my life. Round 2. You are doing good. Too many people undervalue what they are and overvalue what they're not. Round 3. Never let you down, buddy. Do you like my sense of humor? Round 4. I know it always seems impossible until it's done. I believe in you. Round 5. I'm pretty sure you can do it. Please never give up. Round 6. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. What a smart person. Round 7. I really love your smart brain. You are sharp-witted. Round 8. If you know you can do better, then do better. Do it! Make your dreams come true. Round 9. You are a person of subtle intellect. I will really look forward to our meeting tomorrow on this channel. Round 10. The answer is simple, right? Is it hard for you? Subscribe to my channel. See you soon!